Now, sing and inspire, that is canu ysbrydoliaeth?
Yeah,
Is that right?
Yeah.
Ysbrydoli?
Yeah, ysbrydoli, to inspire.
OK.
We're about to do that.
Are we?
I'r genedl.
Oh, no.
Done.
Oh, again, I said no more. I said no more last week. Surely that was enough for everybody. Surely.
Bob wythnos, ti'n esgus, you pretend you hate this, but I know you love it.
No,
really.
this is the one occasion when I actually hate it.
Wel, yr wythnos hon, drycha pwy sy ar y soffa.
Yeah.
Oedd Lowri yn mynd I ganu'n glasurol, yn doedd et?
On.
Going to be a classical singer. A wedyn oedd Rhys, fe ys ti'n canu yng Canu Gymru, do?
Do, cwpl o flynedd yn ôl, 2005, 2006 yn cedi oedd e.
Oh, great, so we're in good company.
They're going to really show us up now.
Yeah, absolutely. I've never heard people so bad singing.
Oedd y ti mewn boy band?
I was young and needed the work.
Pan o'n i'n cyflwyno 1.5.
Anyway, I'd rather do the singing now.
Symud ymlaen.
Symud ymlain. Just keep things moving,
Pwy
okay?
angen, ella bod chi adre, ella bod plant gyda chi, you may have children, a dych chi eisiau helpu nhw I gysgu diwedd y dydd.
It's a good idea.
Little lullaby
I am doing
I
this
chi.
for you guys.
Yeah?
I'm going to help you learn
Ardderchog.
through my embarrassment.
Right. Felly, y gan heddiw ydy Heno.
Heno.
Heno, Hen Blant Bach.
Heno, Hen Blant Bach.
Tonight, dear little children.
Okay.
And then we repeat that quite a few times.
Oh, it's a few times, I can see, yeah. Easy
and then
enough.
We'll go with it gyda'r tiwn, iawn. A wedyn, dime, Hen Blant Bach.
Dime, Hen Blant Bach.
Halfpenny, dear little children.
Okay.
Ac wedyn, y drydydd bennill, the third verse, gwely, Hen Blant Bach.
So it's
Felly.
tonight, children, here's some money, children, bed, children.
Yn union.
Okay.
Bit of bribery.
Bit of bribery.
Mae'n gweithio bob un tro. Right.
Okay.
Iawn. Now, ni'n ddangos I ti. We'll show you how it goes, iawn?
Please do.
Lullaby bach I ti rwan.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll
Helpu ti
get
gysgu.
comfortable.
Ie, paid yn mynd I gysgu.
Na.
Right,
Might
te.
go to cysgu.
Chi'n barod, boys? 1, 2, 3. Heno, Hen Blant Bach. Heno, Hen Blant Bach. Heno, Hen Blant Bach. Heno, Hen Blant Bach. Dime, Hen Blant Bach. Dime, Hen Blant Bach. Dime, Hen Blant Bach. Dime, Hen Blant Bach. Gwely, Hen Blant Bach. Gwely, Hen Blant Bach. Gwely, Hen Blant Bach. Gwely, Hen Blant Bach.
Oh, that face you just pulled was brilliant. Da iawn.
Right,
Amser e gwy na.
Dyma ti.
Rhaid ti ganu.
Dyma'r geiriau.
I've got to do it. In the name of Dysgu. Okay.
Okay.
19 Eisteddfodol.
Not on my own, but all of it. Hey.
Dim pwysau. Okay. Ydy'r plant yn barod I gael nap bach ar ôl cinio, ar ôl y cinio Dy Sul rwan? Ymlaciwch. A mae Matt yn mynd I ganu I helpu I blant bach Cymru gysgu. 1, 2, 3.
Heno.
Hen Blant Bach.
Come on, it's louder.
Heno, Hen Blant Bach. Heno, Hen Blant Bach. Heno, Hen Blant Bach. Dime, Hen Blant Bach.
Wow.
Dime, Hen Blant Bach. Dime, Hen Blant Bach. Dime, Hen Blant Bach.
There's more.
Gwely, Hen Blant Bach. Gwely, Hen Blant Bach. Gwely, Hen Blant Bach. Gwely, Hen Blant Bach.
Wow.
Oh, nice.
Wowzers. Yeah, diolch yn fawr, guys.
Clasur o gan.
Diolch.
Classic. Christmas #1. That's how I learn my Welsh, by the way, and hopefully you're learning it as well. So if you are and want to get out there and practice your Welsh, here's where you can do exactly that.
Dyma'r digwyddiadur I chi.